Be careful, otherwise you make a little bit more noise, you know. Okay, tonight. But this will not work. Then I have already a problem. I have a problem.
I flew too close to your flame, became aware of your inner pain. I didn't know what to do. What made it worse was neither did you. What we shared was so long ago, and you say we both have changed. Yes, I know now you're a superstar, but as for me, well, I remain the same. What was it that made you love me long ago? What was it that made you love me heart and soul? I want to know, I want to know, I really want to know. You say that you're married now, and that you love him so. But what was it that took me so long? That is what you would like to know. What was it that made you love me long ago? What was it that made you love me heart and soul? I want to know, I want to know, I really want to know. I want to know, I want to know, I really want to know.
Just how I felt